Alright, y'all, what's going on YouTube? Back with another trading video. I'm not gonna lie, bro, it's hot as shit right now. It's like it's hold on, let me check. Bro, it's like 67 right now. Yeah, bro, or 68. Like, bro, it's nighttime, bro. This is why I couldn't sleep. But I'm gonna mark this John out real quick. And I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna just mark out all the sessions, like not like these highs, but you know, you know what I mean, bro. Where am I looking? You know what I mean, bro. But after I'm done, I'm gonna update y'all. I'll be right back. All right, so the goal for today is, cause right now, obviously my profit goal is 3,000, but right now I'm halfway there. I'm 1,500, and I could either try to make exactly 1,500 or make 1,000 now and like five or like 1,200 now, 300 later or something like that. Or I could just make 500 now, a band later, or tomorrow. And I do want to get the evaluation out the way. I just don't want to risk too much and set myself back. So the trade I'm gonna make today is gonna be more either I'm probably gonna use less risk unless I see like a really high probability trade. But that's what the move is gonna be for today. As you can see, all this liquidity and plus these lows and highs got moved past, and these highs, bro, except for this Asian high, but and this London low. So we're just gonna be relying on liquidity. I'm gonna write this down real quick. My fault. But let me find daily bias real quick. I wanna say we're in like a uptrend now, but I'm not completely sure. This looks like a breaker block. Oh, right here. And as you can see, this candle doesn't really go past this, so I'm thinking today's daily bias is bullish again. And so basically, I'm expecting a reversal again today, or because look, it looks like we're in a downtrend, but it looks like we just made a higher high. and at the same time, it looks like look. Well, I mean, well, it doesn't look like we're making lower highs. So I feel like we just this is a break of structure, higher high, and we're gonna go like it tried to go down a little bit, and then we might go down a little bit after that, but I think we're just gonna go back up. So um daily bias is bullish. Um my fault, y'all. But honestly, um right now it might be the only time I trade today because there's quite a bit of news for USD. There's NFP, and honestly, I don't think I'm gonna trade that. But that's at 8:15. That's pre-market New York session. So if I do make any trades, it's probably just gonna be right now. Late, like that's why I'm saying like I probably rather not take the risk unless I see a high probability trade. But that's the info I got right now, and yeah. So I'm gonna just be waiting on this. I'm gonna pause till market open, but I'm gonna just be watching this, and I'll be back to let you guys know anything. But yeah, I'm gonna just pause it and watch and let you guys know what happens when market opens. All right, so here's what I'm thinking, guys. I put a pending order, but I might cancel it. But there's this inverse fair value gap that got this fair value gap that got disrespected, and I have this order like right about here, and if this order does happen to fill, I'm gonna put my stop loss right about here, um cause if it's just gonna continue going up, it's probably just gonna continue going to this liquidity and then just like shoot back down type shit. But honestly, I'm just market open by the way, but I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen in the next hour. So I'll let you guys know. Yo, bro, how do I get? Alright, bro. I guess that's it. Bro, I don't want that, dude. My fault, bro. This beast low key are bothering me. Alright, well, like I was saying, I think it's just either gonna go up to here, like put it up right there. But it's gonna go here and then break break of structure and launch up, or it's just gonna you know, keep going up until liquidity gets swept, break a structure, and it might keep going up. But besides that, I'm not sure because of news. But I'll be ready. So if anything, I'm gonna keep letting this move, and I'll let you guys know. So I'll update y'all in a few. Alright guys, so update, we're like 15 minutes into market open and prices pushing closer to my pending order. Honestly, I think that it's gonna hit my order and it's gonna push to somewhere like around here, because it doesn't always like break structure right at liquidity, and usually it does it before. Sometimes it pushes a little bit above liquidity, and then drops back down. But it looks like orders are either gonna be filled here and then we're gonna be brought back up, or it might go up a little bit and there might be a imbalance or fair value gap. Bro, this is not how I like mine. Um, it may not mean nothing, y'all. Mm-mm-mm. Sister. Yeah, that's what it looks like is happening. Orders are just being filled right now. So it might even go down here, but I doubt it. It looks like with this resistance down here, and it's like a time. I don't know where it's gonna go from here, but I might just have y'all watch it to see what's going on. um, this does look like an order block. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna mark this out. Oh, for surely it's an order block. Um, or well, actually, I might be wrong, bro. Why can't I move this? I might have been wrong. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna just let that go. But here's where price is at right now. I'm gonna pause this so the video doesn't get like OD long. So I'll update you guys when anything, if anything happens. All right, guys. So price seems to be pushing up. We got a Joji, however you say that shit. But it seems to also be like it does want to go down, because price did push a little bit up. I pushed my pending order a little bit down, which might, and I'm gonna just keep it there. I'm gonna stop changing my plan because I know I got discipline. No, I have faith. But I feel like price is definitely gonna go up. That there's a little. It was a little down candle right here. Um, it may not mean nothing, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Um, but I don't see price going down like crazy right now. Cause there's a break of structure a while ago, and now we're in an uptrend. So honestly, you know what they say, trend is your friend. We're just gonna follow that rule. But yeah, I feel like just put it down a little bit. Honestly, bro, um, this fair value gap was filled. So honestly, this is just gonna be a retracement, back up. So I don't see no reason to panic. Honestly, I shouldn't be looking for one, but I'm just saying, like, even if there was a reason to panic, um, I just don't see a reason, man. Um, yeah. Um, price is it's like moving very slow right here, but that's fine. Um, I definitely see price pushing above this high. I'm not gonna lie, bro. The potential for this to like push above it and then just go back down. Cause we were in the uptrend like yesterday. All New York, New I don't even know what I said. New York session yesterday. So, but there's a lot of news today. So, like, bro, I hate this auto shit. Right. Um, yeah, price is a little stagnant, but that's fine. People might be taking off today because they might be making longer trades. This low key seems like this right here. Low key seems like, or no, not this. This low key seems like a breaker block. Cause look, right at that line it cuts off right here. So, like I was saying, I don't see this going down, but there is always a chance. So, And there's like all these little down movements every here once in a while, and then it like this or this, it shoots back up. So honestly, it happens. So I'm just gonna pause the video. Already 20 minutes. I update you guys. If anything. Alright guys, so price hasn't risen up to my pending order, but honestly I don't expect price to just plummet down below this and start a downtrend. I think it's just a mini break of structure, and then price is gonna rally up. So like as you can see, it's leaving a big wick. Went right back up to that breaker block because it knows its place. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. I think my plan is gonna, I was gonna say I think my plan is falling into plan, but honestly don't even know how to put that shit. So but I think my plan is gonna follow through. I'm not gonna change nothing. I'm not gonna take a sell. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and I'll let you guys know once it rallies, bro. Cause there's just no liquidity right here, bro. All the liquidity is up here, down here, and down here. There's no reason for it. That's just a break of structure. As you can see, that shit happened down here. It happened down here. Boom. Down right here, kind of. Boom. And why wouldn't it happen again? So that's what I'm seeing right now. Just another high and low type shit. So I'm gonna try to make it 1 to 2 RR or risk reward. So yeah. But once this long position is taken, I will update you guys and let you know what happens next. But that's just what's going on right now. Alright, so we just started another bullish candle, and I'm debating whether I should buy now. So then my TPs could be like one, I don't know, here and one here, or if I should just leave this here. I feel like if this bullish candle passes this bearish candle, the second one, or in general, if it starts passing this, like I'ma just leave my pending order right in between this. But yeah, that's what I'm expecting. Nothing crazy, but I'm not gonna lie, it's low-key looking like a downtrend because it's just, but you know, I got faith, to be honest. Oh shit. And if we don't hit the trade, it happens, bro. I might, there's potential I might trade later, but honestly it's not looking like it because all the news today is OD. This is what we got for today, bro. Like, at least it's not at 3, right? Like, nah, this is bad. Nah, it's not terrible. Like, it's not bad news, but it's a lot of news. The only bad news that I see is, like, this is news I don't want to trade on. But, put this over here. I don't see this going like in the like just going down forever. I don't know. I was talking shit, but hey, bro, the market hurt me for real. Cause now it's going below this breaker block. So, uh, um, yeah, I definitely like. It's definitely a rally coming for real. But once again, man, I'm gonna pause this so this joint don't get too long, and I'll update you guys if my order is filled and anything happens crazy. Well, actually, hold on. Like, bro. Like, bro, this is crazy news, bro. Not crazy, but except for the first one. Impact high. Impact high. Impact high. Like, I don't understand. People want to trade on that. Like, that's crazy. Low bullish candle for one time. Um, this might be a breaker block, or not breaker block, but like we will see. But like, bro, mini breakout, mini breakout, and it might happen over and over again. Honestly, bro, this might be the perfect entry. Like, what y'all think? I'm seeing the pattern, bro. Look, breakout, boom, boom, breakout, boom, mini breakout, boom. Like, I understand it now. Like, it's really just a big order block. Just filling orders down here to go back up. Honestly, bro, with that order block being right there, I think I'm about to enter. Like, it just makes sense. Because they're not going below it. It's going like a little, it's dipping, and then it's going coming back up. Honestly, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this pending order right there. Come on, hit it one time. I don't know why I should just buy it, right? Bro, where am I looking? I'm trying to look at the camera, bro, but I look over here. I feel like I'm getting impatient. That's why I'm moving this, Sean. Bro, part of the reason is just this looks like such a good entry. Like, Come on, bro. Order block. Boom. And you know it's gonna retrace because it's dipping in. It's not going all the way in. And I could set my take profit like earlier rather than closer to liquidity, and I don't know how long it's gonna take to reach there because I don't want it to get there after news, because who knows what news is gonna do to the market. Hit him with time. Why can't it line up perfectly? Alright, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking to buy, right? Put my stop loss under this, as I doubt that the price action is gonna lead us to under the order block. It's just gonna retrace like that, like so, and come up. Like, bro, it hit all types of lows and highs, bro. That's why I think that it specifically, like,
order filled.
oh shit, damn, bro, that jump scared me. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, bro, I don't want to put it right there. $500 and then honestly, bro, I don't understand this software. It does not make sense to me. I have to watch the tutorial. My fault, guys. This is just very annoying. Man, adding trades with multiple take profits. We go back to the charts. So, Jesus.
Now that I have 3, I want to click and drag to an area I'm comfortable with for a stop loss. But I would like to take out a position each time it goes in my favor. So the first thing I need to do is change this to a 1.
Oh,
and I
first thing we did wrong.
can actually right click on the chart and choose a limit cell of 1. I can right click again and choose a limit cell of another 1, and then adjust accordingly. The other thing I can do is choose a level. Let's use this level here, 18,333, and I can change it to a limit order. And this would be 18,333 for one contract, and I would sell this as a limit order. And there it is. We are currently long 3, has a stop loss of 3, and then we have 3 different profit targets. Now let's bring these down so we get filled. And hopefully get filled. A little bit closer. And we will see that as we hit our profit targets, our contract position size will drop down as well. Let's bring this a little closer to make sure we get filled. And a little closer. We're not looking for profit here. We're just looking for a demonstration. And a little closer. There we are. So we just got filled on one of our profit target levels, very small. Notice our stop loss that's associated with this position has now dropped to 2 as a quantity as well, and these are all individually maneuverable. We can do the same for our stop loss. We can remove our stop loss, and then we can choose to have a sell stop of 1 and a sell stop of our second, since we are in 2 positions. Now what this does not do, we will see it's not going to remove the additional contracts that are associated, since we pretty much broke the OCO order. Notice we hit one of our profit targets. We're in a position of 1 because we sold 1, but our 2 stop losses are still here because they are no longer associated with the original
I hope this
order.
works.
And that is the best way to manage a position with multiple targets. You can go back to your risk parameters and simply enter in an acceptable amount of risk. Now when
Because, bro, this is kind of this video is low key not clear at all, bro. I'm gonna just keep it open in case, whatever, bro. In case I need it. Come on, hit it one time. Yeah, bro, it's hot as shit in here, bro. As y'all can see through the screen or my clock or alarm, it's 4, bro. Hey, at least I don't gotta work tomorrow. Wait. I was gonna look something up. More at one time. Honestly, yeah. Holy shit. Damn, bro. It's crazy movement right there. But, you know, hey, bro, the market does what it wants, not what I want. What's all that movement back there? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Damn, bro. This genre really played me. It happens, though. Who said something, bro? Honestly, I think it's smarter to have my stop loss. Honestly, I'm losing less. I'm not gonna push it down no more. Um, Low key, bro. This is definitely a breaker block. Cause look, damn, bro. Filling orders right here instead. They got me. Keep it a beam. I should have kept my pending orders right up here too. But then I got greedy. And I put my pending orders lower so they would catch faster. But we live and we learn. So bro, I wanna go to sleep, but I'm just not sleeping on this trade, man. Um like bro, this just doesn't show the price. I think like this whole limit sell is just bullshit. I do not like this software, bro, or like this trading platform. It's just not that good, bro. Come on, hit it one time. Come on, hit it one time. Oh my leg, bro.
The trade, again, 3 positions. It has our 3 position long, and it automatically places our stop loss for us. And then we can go ahead and either drag, and now we have a bracket order for -3. Or we can do as before and just add our cells individually, 1 here, and let's say we have 2 here. That will remove all 2 positions at the first level, our final position at the second.
Okay. When I mean nothing to y'all. Hey, bro, I trust the process, so fuck it. Fuck it, Bopper. I'm glad I didn't put my pending order though up here when this went up here, because like my stop loss would have been somewhere around here and I'd have no room to move. So hey, bro. But I could definitely feel the emotions now, because like today, honestly, I wanted it to be the last day so I could pass my funded, like the last day for the evaluation. I wanted to make it the last day, because honestly, bro, this shit is way more stressful than risking $2 or $1, like because it's a funded account, and motions are more high and shit right now. So that's honestly something I gotta work on. Gotta read this book. So, um, yeah, I'm just. This is a whole different thing too. Even though it's demo, bro, it's still like it's still a funded account, which I feel like the potential of what you can earn, bro, it's so much like, damn, bro. Um, like, you, I don't know, but as we can see, price just went back up, bro. Price just pushed higher than that down candle. But it looks like price was just filling that order block. It's actually been going higher than, oh shit, crazy rally. It may not mean nothing to y'all. Come with me. What is it gonna do? See, now I wonder if it does reach this, if it's gonna be 500, and if it does reach this, it's gonna be like 1,000, and it's gonna be 1,500, because I already have half of the profit target. So the plan was, like I was saying, risk enough to make the holy shit, risk enough to make the profit target, or risk enough to make closer to the profit target, so then on the last day I don't have to make as much, and it could just be a quick little easy trade I can make. And it's looking like it. It's looking like there's gonna be 500. It's gonna be 1,000, but I'm not sure. And I don't even know if this limit sell should work. I only know based on what I seen on the video. So if it doesn't work, bro, I'm suing. Nah, I'm playing, but still, I I'd rather say like TP2, or like bro, my two positions, the two contracts that I have two positions, right? But they're both counted for as one. Like, I'd rather not. I'd rather have them separate, so I could set the separate TPs, and then I could see the amount. But with this, I can't see the amount. I feel like I'm guessing with this. Cause so this would be 500. This would be a band. So that's why I'm wondering, should I put this higher or what? But it's two positions, so I'm confused and I don't know. It may not mean nothing to y'all. Damn, bro, this joint's 50 minutes, bro. Yeah, I know nobody's finna watch it, but yeah, it's cool, bro. It's all about discipline. I don't care. Nobody gotta watch my vids for me to make them. Mina mina ya. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so sorry guys for having watched through this. I'm gonna pause it, make sure you guys know if it hits my TPs at all. This video is already 50 fucking minutes, bro. Crazy. Yeah, bro, I'll let y'all know. So I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. My first TP got hit, and I only got I don't know how much I got. It was like 250, which, so basically, like, I'm not gonna lie, bro, that jump, like, that low-key pissed me off, bro, because how, like, bro, I literally, y'all saw me, bro, y'all saw me put 500, and then I lined it up, and then I got 250. So now I know, like, what is worth whatever. So I don't know, that jump pissed me off low key. But hey, bro, I'm up. Well, today I'm definitely not gonna get the profit goal, but I'm real close, and that's all that matters, the progress. So what is on my foot? Like, right, and the other profit was somewhere around here. I think it was right here, and look, it's only 500. So I don't know. So if I would have left it here, bro, we would have only made 500. Like, damn, that's crazy. But hey, bro, it happens. Probably just gonna leave my yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's how we doing it. And if that don't hit, bro, I don't give a damn. Nah, I'm not doing that. That's stupid. But I'm gonna just leave it at a band, bro. Make 1,200 today, so 1,500, so make 2,700 in total. Yes. I'm not gonna lie, liquidity is up here, so there's definitely potential. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, I'm about to take my ass to bed, bro. But honestly, I don't like I said, bro. I don't care if I'm emotional or not, bro. Look, I literally predicted that. I predicted that. I was like, yeah, it's not gonna go down. It can't. It literally can't. It's following the pattern, and it's doing what it's been doing for the couple of past hours, bro. And I was right. But um, leave my stop loss there. If that gets hit, fuck it. Um, hopefully it doesn't take that long for like that's a what's the ratio? 2.6. Um, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep for school, bro. I'm gonna end the video. Uh, I don't know, bro. I, I I need to put more shit out on socials, but I just haven't gotten to that yet. I'm worried about this more than that. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. I might make a video later, but there's not really a need to. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.